Right now, we have the owner of the bunker, and he's going to melt some gold. So, owner of the bunker, why do you need the torch?
We need the torch so we can do this faster, and it helps the melt to be even.
Perfect. Okay, now I understand.
It's been really cold outside, that's why.
It's snowing outside.
Friday, we want to go home fast, so we're just trying to melt a lot of gold, silver coins.
So you have a lot of gold going in still. Okay. So it's going to be a pretty big gold bar. Yes, lady of the bunker in the background.
Yes.
But we've got the owner of the bunker today. We're not worried about the lady of the bunker. We want the owner of the bunker.
Trying to teach Lady Bunker how to do this right. No, just kidding. Great.
Oh, and borax. Gotta have
Borax.
the good borax. All right, we know what the borax is for. We're going back to the torch. Don't do this at home.
Don't do this at home because it's really hot.
He is a professional, folks, okay? He is a professional.
We do this for money, not for living.
All right, what do we got going here? Okay, you got
So we're going to dump the silver that Lady Bunker.
Lady Bunker did a silver bar. And we got to cool that silver bar off. It's almost. I think it's almost out of there. Is it out of there? No, it's not quite out of there.
It's trying to be out.
Is there another trick to make it? Is there a trick to making sure it's out of there easy?
Yeah.
All right.
It's just overfill.
That's the only reason it's not coming out of the hole easily.
Yeah. See, that needs more space.
All that borax.
Say about right here to make it work.
Okay.
Because it has a heat that pressurizes and flies out. We're just gonna wait a few more seconds.
Okay. And then the gold is getting ready. Are you gonna put some
Water to cool it down.
Are you gonna put some Pam in that other mold to make sure it comes out easier?
Right.
The new mold for the gold.
Yeah, new mold for the gold.
Spray some Pam in there. Okay. Because I know that usually helps it come out easier.
Just regular, nothing special. You don't need to be fancy to melt gold.
No, because it's like making eggs at home. Just a little.
Definitely. Let's see what we can do here.
All right. Let's see what we can do.
All right, guys, look alive, look alive.
Is it ready to be poured, a gold bar?
Yeah. We're just gonna mix it up to get an even melt.
Stir it up. All right, here we go. Is it ready?
One more second and it's done.
All right.
It's just still hot. Damn.
I just took a step back, gang, just to make sure I had eye protection.
Yes. We don't use eye protection. We just
Wing it.
and we got ballers, man.
All right, well, at least we have a clean mold so we can see a gold pour. We can get the silver bar out after you're done with the gold pour. Perfect. The Pam effect. All right, owner of the bunker coming out.
Let's do this.
A nice gold bar. Probably over a kilo, right, owner of the bunker?
It's 2,235 grams before milk. Think, right? I wrote the numbers down, guys. We'll show it to you.
You have to keep track, yeah. It is important.
Done.
Beautiful. Beautiful pour. Crucible's out. The Pam effect, we're watching that gold bar cool off. Let the flames going. You know, owner of the bunker does have Instagram too, so you don't only have to watch him on YouTube. You can check out Instagram also.
Famous Gold Rush.
There you go, Famous Gold Rush. We like doing this stuff, and we like bringing this to you so that you can see the owner of the bunker. We don't get to see him as often as the lady of the bunker, but when the professional is here, we want to make sure we see it.
All right. You go back. Look at man.
All right, here we go.
Do this the right way.
It's good to keep the area swept up while you're doing it. All right, here we go. Silver bar is out. It's going to go in the cooling tank. He's going to bring it over to the water, bring it over to the cooling. Got it. There we go. It's cooling off. Get a little steam coming off there.
This is a lot of water here.
A lot of water. Be careful. Don't get it all over you. All right. So we got 2 silver bars. Those will get all cleaned up. Wire brush them off. And then we're going to have a gold bar coming out and cooling off here in just a moment.
Yeah, it's ready.
Gold bar is ready. All right, here we go. Let's flip that mold over and see what develops with the gold bar. There it is, gang. There it is. Hot gold bar. Ready to go. Cool it off. Owner of the bunker.
Back to back.
Just gonna throw a little water in there.
Back.
It's nice to know I'm not the only one that struggles.
Lady of the bunker chiming in there.
Yeah.
As always.
Sure.
All right, so that gold bar is cooling off.
Crazy, huh?
And like the owner of the bunker said, it's over 2,000 grams. And he's taking the borax off there while he's cooling it off. And we'll get it all cleaned up, and then we're going to take it out front, and we're going to go ahead and put it on the scale and see what it looks like. Owner of the bunker, we'll let him do that real quick, and he'll bring it out.
Yep.
Yeah, Mia, she was like, that's why I was like, okay.
And then we got some pirate coins there. That's pirates. All right. And then we got
We're just gonna get you a quick weight.
what do we got there? 2,000.
284.5.
284.5. And that's gold. That's gold, gang. About how much purity would you say?
55%.
55%.
Plus minus, yeah.
Not bad.
Did you see the burnt coins here?
Not bad at all.
Still hot.
Still hot. That's why Stock Jockey didn't pick it up. He's not as foolish as the rest of the people working at the bunker. All right, so that's what we got.
Wait.
That was silver and gold for
Did you
today.
catch that on, like, when he got burnt? Did you
The bar is cooling down. This is next.
All right.
55,000.
So how many grams of pirate coin?
50,870.
This is all gonna get melted. This went through the California fires. You know those so-called wildfires in California that weren't.
What is that?
And this is what it takes to clean it.
And we got a little baking soda. We're gonna go ahead and either clean this or melt this or whatever. But anyway, that's what we got for today. Owner of the bunker. See him on YouTube. See him on Instagram.
Famous Gold Rush, come through.
All right.
Bring your money.
And we appreciate the owner of the bunker. And with that,
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. We are out of here.
We're out of here. Yeah. Let's go Miami.